In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to summarize Slack messages with Base44 Superagent. First, open the Base44 website and sign in. On the main dashboard, look for the Superagent section and click it. Think of a superagent as your automated helper. It can connect to tools you already use and carry out a clear task on repeat. In our case, that task is pulling recent messages from Slack and turning them into a clean, readable summary. Next, create a new superagent. You'll typically see an option to start fresh. Give yourself a moment here to set the foundation well. This makes everything that follows much smoother. Now, name your agent and write a concise instruction for what you want it to do. Use a descriptive name you'll recognize later, and craft a prompt that is specific about the channel and the outcome you want. For example, you might write, "Monitor my Slack project updates channel and generate a daily summary of key decisions." Clarity helps the agent understand scope, frequency, and focus. If there are certain types of messages you care about, like decisions, blockers, or action items, say so in your prompt. After that, ask the agent to connect to your Slack account. Click the connect or authorize option and follow the on-screen steps to grant access. You may be asked to select a workspace and approve permissions so the agent can read messages in the channels you choose. If your workspace has restrictions, you might need admin approval. Just make sure the connection completes and the right channels are accessible. Once connected, look for a confirmation state that shows your Slack workspace is linked. You should see a clear indicator that the connection is active. If something looks off, revisit the permissions and ensure the appropriate channels are included. With the connection in place, ask the agent to run the summary. You can do this directly in the Superagent interface by triggering a run or by typing a short request like "run the summary now." The first run may take a moment while it fetches recent content. When the run completes, the agent will fetch the latest messages from Slack and present a structured summary. Read through the output to confirm it highlights the key decisions, updates, and any follow-ups you care about. If the results feel too broad or too narrow, refine your prompt for the next run with clear instructions or examples of what key means to you. Finally, you can open your Slack account to cross-check that the summarized items align with recent discussions in the channel you had in mind. This helps validate that everything is wired correctly and that the summary reflects your team's activity. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.